Hi, my name is Pam Barks, and I live in Columbus, Ohio with my husband, Bill. We have 4 sons and 10 grandchildren. I am going to be your instructor for the INFT 124 Computing Skills course. If you are a first-time student at Bryant and Stratton, this is a requirement. This course will help you with your skills so that you can maneuver around within the course. We're going to learn some about the hardware and software of the computer. So if you are familiar with some of this, you should not have any problem at all with taking this course. I look forward to meeting and chatting with you. I'd like for you to have a wonderful and safe holiday, and I will catch you online very soon. Thank you. Bye.